I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Paint and creating a new file. This puts you directly into the drawing space. First, set the canvas dimensions to match your final use so you avoid rescaling later. Next, pick a primary tool, brush for soft strokes, pencil for precise lines, or shapes for geometric elements, because tool choice affects edge quality and editability. Finally, choose foreground and background colors and a brush size. These early decisions save time and preserve image fidelity as you work. Once the canvas and tools are ready, start building the image layer by layer in a logical order. Block in large shapes first, then refine details. Use the selection tool to isolate areas you want to move or duplicate. This mimics layers and keeps edits non-destructive. Zoom in when adding fine details and change brush size frequently to maintain clean edges. When adding text or shapes, use the shape handles and keyboard modifiers. This ensures proportions and alignment are consistent across the composition. To finish, save your work in the format that matches the destination: PNG for crisp images with transparency, JPEG for photos. Use Save As to keep an editable copy and an exported copy. Before printing, set canvas size and resolution so output matches physical dimensions. If something goes wrong, first undo immediately or reopen the editable file. If colors look off after export, re-export using a different format or check monitor calibration. A quick troubleshooting step: reduce image dimensions to lower file size without changing composition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.